Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today, I have Pentair IntelliVibe lights. I'm going to go over the differences between the three different lights that they currently offer. Stay tuned and we'll go over it. All right, and we're back. So, IntelliVibe, recently new product. This is 2025 with Pentair. We have a whole other video of the breakdown of the entire system that's required for you to use these lights. But today I'm going to go over the differences between the three lights. We were fortunate enough to actually attend Pentair's launch party for this, so we got to see them in person. We got to see all three different lights, the dimming capabilities, the lights capabilities. They're really, really cool, to be honest with you. So let's go ahead and dive in. They have three different sizes. They have the nano, the micro, and the meso. So the nano, let's put these in order in the way you're looking at it, I believe like this, from smallest to largest. So the nano will fit into a 1-inch fitting. I believe it's just like a 1-inch PVC push-in. The micro fits into actually your standard micro bright 1.5-inch wall fitting. And then the meso fits into the same thing as the 1.5-inch wall fitting with adapter plates in case it sticks out too far or whatnot. However, the nano has a 1.5-inch adapter if you do want to use the nano. It doesn't come with it. It has to be purchased separately. We'll have the part number, links to buy maybe down below or up here. I don't know. But we will have it at www.ePoolSupply.com or in our stores. Take a look. But we'll get these part numbers and we'll stock them for you so that way we will have them readily available. But let's dive into the differences. So the little guy, the nano, this is a 2-watt light. Pretty cool. And it's tiny. The footprint on this thing is so small. It's literally 1-inch. You won't even notice these things in your pool if you do the 1-inch adapters or the 1-inch fittings behind it, because all you're going to see is that in the side of your pool and it'll probably just disappear. Not as bright probably as the other two. So the micro is a 12-watt light. Again, this is all you're going to see on the side of your pool, even if you have that 1.5-inch fitting. So 12-watt obviously is going to be, I would imagine, 6 times brighter than the 2-watt. And then you've got the 24-watt meso. The meso is pretty bright. We're going to have an installation video with the app showing you dimmable capabilities. All three of these dim through the app. All three of these do the exact same color series. It is all about brightness, fit, size, everything when it comes down to these. So they're offered in 50, 100, and 150 foot cords, all three of them. So they're really close and identical traits, but it's all about brightness and size. So, but the meso again is a 24-watt light. So again, twice as bright as the micro and 12 times brighter probably than the nano. This bad boy is going to be bright. So we're actually going to put this in a spa, show you the before, show you the after, with dimmables, different colors, different sequences, different everything. So that way you guys can see the difference between a regular micro bright and this IntelliVibes system. So yeah, these are your three lights that you guys need to choose from. A pretty cool system, fully dimmable, all kinds of cool stuff. Watch our other videos on everything about it. But yeah, that's the difference between the nano, the micro, the meso, and IntelliVibe. I am Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. We have a lot more content coming up. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. See you next time.